Have you seen the movie John Wick, and do you want to become rich? Have you ever thought about how John Wick's attributes could help you become rich? I know it sounds far-fetched, but I will teach you in this unique way how to become wealthy. If you are familiar with the movie, this will be flawless in helping you remember the necessary protocol to get rich. Financial education is the foundation to building wealth. Therefore, people who all of the sudden find themselves with large sums of money have a hard time keeping it. It is my assumption that financial education is important to you, otherwise you would not have clicked on this video. Do you intend to get rich? Do you intend to become the first millionaire in your family? Are you ready to break your family's cycle of being average or poor? If yes, then pay attention, because I will go over very important elements that will send you on your way to building your fortune. If you are ready now, let me know in the comments. Are you ready to transform your life? Please type WIC in the comments now. If you are ready, just type WIC in the comments and I will know you are serious. And when I see your comment, I will give you a heart. Thank you for your comment and thank you for subscribing to this channel. I bring you valuable wealth-building information every week for nothing more than your subscription. So, again, thank you for that. All right, let's get to it then. In the world of cinema, few characters embody the essence of determination, resilience, and strategic thinking like John Wick. He also receives a touch of good luck. However, good luck comes from having those characteristics, wouldn't you agree? The Baba Yaga, or Boogeyman, as he is fearfully known, navigates a world of danger and intrigue with precision, seemingly always one step ahead of his adversaries. Surprisingly, John Wick's journey provides valuable insights into the art of building wealth. Don't believe me? You will soon find out. In this video, we will explore the attributes of John Wick and how they can serve as a guide for individuals seeking to accumulate wealth in the real world. Individuals just like you, people that want to know how to get rich. Now it is time to grab a pen and paper if you haven't already. I don't want you to miss these important teachings, and please watch until the end. The last point, number 5, is where your wealth will start to blast off like a rocket. Number 1, discipline and focus. One of John Wick's most striking attributes is his unwavering discipline and focus. Like any well-trained assassin, he directs all his energy towards his objectives. It's even mentioned in the movie about how he can't be beat because he is a man of focus. In the pursuit of wealth, discipline is equally crucial. This means adhering to a budget, saving diligently, and avoiding impulsive financial decisions. John Wick's ability to remain focused on his goals, despite the chaos around him, teaches us the importance of staying true to our financial objectives, even in challenging times. It's no wonder why discipline and focus are first out the gate. Without discipline and focus, what follows in this video would not be beneficial to you. Remember, you always follow your focus. Put your focus on where you want to be. Number 2, strategic planning. John Wick is a master strategist, meticulously planning each move to outmaneuver his opponents. Similarly, building wealth requires strategic planning. Whether it's investing in assets, starting a business, or pursuing higher education for better career prospects, a well-thought-out plan is essential. John Wick's ability to anticipate obstacles and devise countermeasures highlights the importance of strategic foresight in wealth accumulation. The trick is to know when you have done enough planning and when to act. Don't get so caught up in the planning stage that you suffer from analysis paralysis. Number 3, risk management. In his line of work, John Wick understands the importance of assessing risks and taking calculated gambles. Similarly, building wealth often involves taking risks, but these risks must be carefully managed. Millionaires are great risk managers. They weigh the risks, but also know that nothing good can come from not taking risks. Diversifying investments, staying informed about market trends, and having a contingency plan are essential aspects of effective risk management. John Wick's ability to navigate perilous situations underscores the importance of calculated risk-taking in wealth-building endeavors. Are you getting this now? As you can see that John Wick would not have made a very good character in the movie without these attributes. This makes it easy to see why these attributes are extremely important to building wealth. We will keep moving on now. There are two more very important skills I want you to know about. And remember the last one. It's where money starts flowing to you like a river, so keep paying attention. Number 4, resilience and adaptability. Throughout his journey, John Wick faces numerous setbacks and challenges, yet he always finds a way to bounce back stronger. Resilience is a key trait for anyone aspiring to build wealth. Financial markets can be unpredictable and setbacks are inevitable. However, it is our ability to adapt to changing circumstances and persevere in the face of adversity that ultimately determines our success. John Wick's resilience serves as a reminder that setbacks are not failures but opportunities to learn and grow. Make sure you are great at bouncing back after setbacks like John Wick. If one of your endeavors isn't working out, don't be afraid to pull the plug and go to the next one. Learn how to quit when there is no real future with something. This does not mean you are a quitter. You're only a quitter when you quit trying to move forward. And now we have come to number 5, building networks and alliances. In the world of assassins, John Wick relies on his network and alliances to navigate complex situations. If he had not used his network, the movie would have been over very quickly with no resolutions. Similarly, in the realm of wealth building, connections and relationships are invaluable assets. Networking with like-minded individuals, seeking mentorship from experienced professionals, and forming strategic partnerships can open doors to new opportunities and insights. I will repeat the important part now. Networking with like-minded individuals can open doors to new opportunities and insights. It's important to note that you won't know all the necessary like-minded individuals right away. These relationships are built along the way, just the same as your wealth is built along the way. John Wick's ability to leverage his network illustrates the importance of cultivating relationships in the pursuit of wealth. In the movie John Wick, we witness the journey of a legendary assassin whose cunning, determination, and resourcefulness enable him to overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Surprisingly, these attributes also hold valuable lessons for individuals seeking to build wealth in the real world. By embodying the discipline, strategic planning, risk management, resilience, and networking skills exemplified by John Wick, anyone can chart a path towards financial success. Just as the Baba Yaga reigns supreme in the underworld, those who embody these principles can achieve mastery over their financial destiny. Now it's your turn to write your own script. Get these 5 attributes under your belt and get ready to take off. Be your own Joe Wick and become a wealth assassin. Become a winner at the money game and leave a legacy of generational wealth. I would like to share more secrets of getting rich with you. These secrets are not taught in school, but every millionaire knows them. Since you are on a great journey to building great wealth, go to this video now to discover the secrets of money. You will be living the life of your dreams before you know it. Just click on this video now.